Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can have your phone to read aloud the content of the screen on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then go in here and tap on spoken content. Next, tap on speak screen. Once this is switched on, you can have the content read aloud by using two fingers and swipe down at the top down like this.
Speak selection on. A speak button will appear when...
This will read everything on your screen from the top down. So let's say if you want to read the content of a web page, down here, now you go on a web page, you go to the section where you want to start the reading. So here I'm going to go down and say I want to start the reading from this part on. So you want to move that text to the top of the screen. Then using two fingers, you want to swipe down at the top.
The simians are sister to the tarsiers. Together form...
While reading, you can tap on the pause or the play button. There's also the next button.
Haplorhines.
You can also pause, move the text to a different section, and then tap on the play button.
Radiation occurred about 60 minutes.
So you can also tap on the back key.
Haplorhines.
There is also a touch and read, so point and read.
And...
So as you can see, so again, you can always move the text to a different part of the screen and then start
It is
reading.
Wikipedia's birthday. Thank you for making...
Just always start to read from the top down. And that's it. So that's how you have you can have your content to read aloud. Now on the home screen, you can also have it read aloud if there is anything to read. So I'm just going to get it right.
No speakable content could be found on the screen.
So it cannot read of the content on the screen, on your home screen, but it can. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it working correctly.
No speakable content.
But you can tap on this icon here and then touch on it.
FaceTime.
So you can see I can do a tap.
No speakable content could be found. No speakable content.
So you can do on that touch point here, and then you can point or touch on an item to have it read aloud.
Camera.
And that's it. So you can also read from notes as well. So you can try it here.
This is a test. This is test again. Capital A, B, C.
And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.